Just 5 miles from the sparkling beaches of the Atlantic Ocean, Bear Creek is one of the most active Central Florida 55-plus communities. There truly is no shortage of things to do, places to go, and sights to see when you live in one of Bear Creek's low-maintenance manufactured retirement homes. This wooded, park-like community has not one, but 3 clubhouses, each with its own swimming pool and whirlpool spa. Spread among the various clubhouse locations, you'll find a dance floor and bandstand, billiards room, shuffleboard, tennis and pickleball courts, horseshoes, fitness center, aerobics room, and so much more. You can also take a stroll on our stunning nature trails that meander through Bear Creek or play a round of golf at the adjacent Public Country Club, accessible by our private golf cart path. No matter your interests, you're sure to make fast friends with many other like-minded residents in Bear Creek's neighborly 55-plus community. You'll also have easy access to a multitude of attractions outside of our secure gates. Take a day trip to the world-renowned Orlando attractions and amusement parks, or make the short drive to Daytona for the famous Atlantic Coast's white sand beaches. A fabulous and affordable lifestyle in a friendly community with a great location, endless activities, and a climate that is simply unmatched. What's not to love? Come enjoy your Bear Creek lifestyle.